Hello everybody, welcome back to Trumpbottom Manor. Today we're going to be looking at 3 very important questions for when we meet people.
How do you do?
1.
How are you?
2.
And what do you do?
3. In our first video, we told you that when you meet someone for the first time, you can say, "Nice to meet you." But we can also say, "How do you do?" in very formal situations.
But this does not mean how are you? This is a different question.
Very good.
Thank you.
The answer to how do you do is how do you do? It's very simple. It's just a greeting.
It doesn't really mean anything.
No. Shall we do it for the viewers?
For these?
Pretend we don't know each other.
Okay,
Like
okay.
we did in the first video.
Yes.
Okay, good. I'm Lord Trumpbottom.
And I'm Scratchit.
How do you do, Scratchit?
How do you do, sir?
Very good. Like that.
When we want to know how somebody is feeling, we ask, how are you?
Yes. But the answer to the question is most of the time, I'm fine, thank you. Even if you're not really fine, it's just polite again. So we say, fine, thank you. Should we do that for the viewers again?
For the viewers?
Like we did the last time?
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay. Yes. Okay. Right. Scratchit. How are you?
Bloody terrible. Honestly.
No, that was right. You don't say.
Oh,
you say
yeah.
fine, thank you.
Okay, right.
Just do it again,
okay.
quickly. Do it again.
Okay, sorry.
I'm tired of this. Scratchit. How are you?
I'm fine, thank you.
Nice.
Not really fine.
Scratchit.
How are you?
I'm fine, thank you.
When we want to know what jobs people do, we ask, what do you do?
Good. Or we can say, what do you do for a living? Don't we?
We do. Yes.
Good.
Yes.
Let's try that. Again, pretend we don't know.
Okay.
So,
okay.
Oh, hello, Scratchit. What do you do?
I'm a butler. I do everything for you.
Yes, I know they don't need to ask me what I do.
Okay. Oh, hello. And what do you do?
Me? I'm a lord. I do lordy things.
You're a lazy...
Scratchit!
What does he do?
Him?
Yeah, what does he do?
He is the President of America.
Okay. And what does she do?
She is the First Lady.
The First Lady?
The First Lady.
Okay. So she's a little bit like our Queen.
No, she's nothing like the Queen. What do you... Scratchit, how dare you say such a thing? Nothing like the Queen.
Okay. Sorry, calm down. So, I have a job.
Yes.
He has a job.
Yes.
Yeah. She has a job.
Yes.
So, really, you're the only one without a job.
Oh, Scratchit, I'm an aristocrat.
He's a lazy...
Scratchit! So, viewers, remember 3 important questions. The first one, how do you do? You reply, how do you do?
And when you ask, how are you? You reply, I'm fine, thank you.
Good. And lastly, when someone says to you, what do you do? you tell them what your job is. For example, I'm a doctor, or I'm a lawyer, or I'm a politician, or like me, I can say I'm a
Lazy.
Scratchit!